Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, back again with me, Izudin Amar Al Farisi as a host in Weekend Tech Talk. Today I have one speaker. He is Orlando Rafi Bowie. Okay, maybe for Orlando Rafi Bowie, time and place is yours.
Okay, thank you, Ijiri Rama, for the opening. Yeah, so hello everyone, I'm Orlins, and this time I would like to tell you guys about things to consider in UI design. Yeah. So, include you all for UI UX designer. Yeah, you must know the thing that maybe some of you expect. So, I will tell you guys the thing to consider in UI design. Okay, so first, yeah, I will tell design mistakes that UI/UX designer do. So this is the example. Yeah, there is confusing error message. One of the common mistakes in designing form is not specifying the fields that cause the error. So okay, let me tell you the example. Okay, there is two card. Yeah, and there is the information about card number, expired date, and yes, under other button. So what's the problem? Yeah, you can see in the first card. Yeah, in this card there is incorrect data, or you can call it wrong action, something like that. Okay, wrong action. But what is the problem? Yes, the placement is wrong. You can see, if you be the user, you will think, what is the part that is incorrect? I don't know. It's placed in below. But if you see the right design like this, you will know what is the wrong. Oh, so my wrong is the number card, something like that. Yeah. So make sure your design is didn't make the user feel confused about wrong action or something like that. So make sure give the right the right valid or the valid one like this. So make the user is understand what is the problem in their action. Okay. Next. Yeah. So maybe some of you found low quality image, and yeah, I know you feel a little disgust because you wanna know the product, but the product give you low quality image, and yeah you feel not comfortable to see it. Yeah. So low quality image. This problem is not an error in the design, but an error in the quality of the graphics used. How you feel if you see this image? Place some high quality image, yeah, and it's important to make the user feel comfortable to see it. Okay, next. Yeah, maybe in past era, you will see this card like this. And then you will think this button is just like same action. So why there is much button like gives the same importance? Yeah. So what is the meaning? Yeah. So the example, there is two card that showing a product of Nike shoes. Yeah. So you can see this is the wrong example. You can see the information give is there is two same button that maybe you will think what is different about these two. Yeah. So make sure you make it different like this. Button for you keep it for forever or in something to wishlist it. Okay. So next. Yeah. This is the inputs with each other. Okay, so let me tell you. Yeah, there is two card again that show about card number, expired date, phone number. So yeah, you can easily see what happening in here. Yeah, so you must use the space as wisely as possible like this. Don't waste your space like this because it didn't see good. Yeah, make sure you design like this, so use the space as wisely. Okay, yeah, make sure there is no empty space like this because yeah, it's not good to see, bro. So use this design. Next, okay, the last of the mistake there is using dark UX pattern. So when the user decides to unsubscribe, don't display a message that might make him feel ashamed. So the example, yeah, this wrong card, there is the designer didn't give something that make it different. So the reader didn't know what is the I mean what is the difference when they read this article. So but if you see this side, yeah, the reader can know, oh, so this is the different and it's action text, so they know, okay, so there is another article different from the topic, something like that. Okay, now I would like to describe about important tips if you wanna design some UI. So dark mode UI, yeah, because yeah, this is my first knowledge too that yeah, awesome dark mode. So avoid use pure black as background. Avoid using pure black as background because too high contrast will end up being an ISO between the content and the background. So yeah, this is the example. Like to use pure black because for me, yeah, my eyes feel kinda how to say, kinda confused. Yeah, or maybe kinda yeah, didn't feel. You can see the different button like this. Look to high contrast, eye strain. Yeah, that's what I mean. So next, okay, decrease color saturation by 20%. Yeah, this is some tips for me, from me. So when designing an interface in dark mode, any type of color confused. So if I cannot use pure dark, so how much the saturation for the black one? Okay, don't very black and colors are too saturated. This is the right one, right? Which one is better? Don't use okay unnecessary. You see, like shadow is making feel like UI principle is making the design simple, but the UX is good for the user. So you can see shadow is didn't useful for us. Shadow is not used in here in UI design like this in mobile. No, maybe there is a part that you can use shadow, but later we will talk about it. Okay, so next, yeah, avoid poor white as text color. According to Google, 38%, 60%, and 87% opacity of white are the ideal values for disable, medium emphasis, and high emphasis text. So, yeah, this is the wrong example. pure white text with no visual here. See, so you can see. If you being a reader, you will confuse. I mean, the UI is not elegant, right? You cannot see the difference about this card. Like everything is white. So yeah, it's just like a primary color that 60% white for the yes comment. Okay, next. Add brand accent to blacks and gray. Okay, some tips. No brand accent color. Yeah. So if you wanna making some mobile application or your own product, make sure you must choose your primary color first. Yeah. So avoid use pure black as your primary color because why? Yeah, it will solve both. Like this is the example. This is wrong because why? The button uncomfortable to see, but okay. So make sure choose your primary color. Make that all thing by myself. So start from login page. So here I let's do you. I recommend you use grid. Why? Because it make you easily to accurate the size or the range. You can choose from grid to columns, yeah, and then the count is only one. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, and then type is left. Nah, recommendation for the rest is 22. I usually use this number for my UI design. Okay. Okay, so we got one grid for the left side. Now we're making the another one to the right side. Just duplicate it. Yes, like that. Oh, sorry. Yes, okay. Just change the left to the right. Okay, so we already make the grip. Okay, now what we do first? Okay, I will do making a cut first. So here I make a cut by rectangle. Okay, make sure it fit with the grid like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So and another tip for me, make sure in every rectangle you make, I recommend you should you use a corner radius because why in this era, yeah, in this era there is many improvement that people would like to see something decent with corner radius because it's comfortable with their eyes. So yeah, I will use corner radius to 7. Okay, it's okay, not too bad, and then yeah, I would like to make a logging page, but the style is like Google register. Okay, so yeah, I will turn off the fill and then I will use stroke. Yes. As I say, it's pure black. So I'm not recommend use pure black. You can decrease the color saturation. I would like to do 50% only. Yes, it's more good. or maybe 20% is okay. Yeah, okay, it's like this. Maybe the cursor is too small. Yeah, okay. We already make the frame. Now we will now make the username and password field. Okay. Adding some rectangle here. Oh yeah, I forgot to switch this summer frame like this. Yeah. Okay. Done. If done like this, yeah. We place the rectangle here. Okay. I would like for the weight maybe 320 is enough. Okay. Yes. For the height maybe 48 is enough. Yes, like this. Okay. Don't forget to the corner. Maybe I would like to add 10. Yeah, maybe it's better. Yeah. As I say, remove the fill, use and set the saturation to 20%. Yes, like this. Okay, we will make one more. Just duplicate it. The shortcut is Control or Command D. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tips for you to know what is the range about this object and this object. Okay. So if you are Mac user, you can click Option button in your keyboard like this. Yeah. So now, welcome. You can see the range of the object that you want to know like this. Yeah. So, oh, this range is 180 is too far, and this 30. I would like to only 30 is okay. Okay. You can make it to auto layout. Yep, like this. Put in the middle. Yeah. So I would like to adding some text here. Login. Yeah, I would like to use plus Jakarta Sans font, and the thickness is bold. Yeah, it's good. Okay, and the range is maybe uh, oh yeah, 60 is enough. Okay. Now I would like to make tips for you for look some good visualization. So here, let's first we type username or no, or maybe email. For example, email. Okay, I would like use Jakarta Sans. Yes, you can use text from the primary. So you must choose your primary text. So if you use Monstera, Poppins, or SF Pro, yeah, okay, just that. Because why? Yeah, it will not comfortable to see by the user. So make sure choose your own primary text font. Yeah, in here I use plus Jakarta Sans. Okay, let's change the font size. I would like to maybe 16. Oh, it's still too big. How about 12? Okay, yeah, it's enough. So let's change to email. Okay, the bold is medium, maybe regular, like this. Yeah. Okay, in here. Okay, let's we switch this first to the frame because yeah, for make it easily like this. Okay, then place your email text here. Yes. Nah. So this is tips for good UI. Yeah, you can add the background color here in the text. Okay, like this and put in the email. Yeah, you can see here. And then let's switch, change the color to white. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is my suggestion. So first, this text is public, right? You can decrease the saturation or the opacity to 50%. Yeah, it's more better. So you can write your email in here. Just for example, I would like use my own email. Okay, let's we change the font size to 12, like this. Yes, and then the thickness to regular, right? Then like this. Yeah, remove. Can he remove? Okay. I would like to check the range, yeah, because I don't know what's the range. And then this one, same. Yes. Okay, now we already make the email one. So let's move to the password field. Okay, so just copy the subject and you just change the title and adjust the weight of the rectangle. So password like this, rectangle first. Okay, done. Let's move this to the here. Okay, we got one. Now we set password here. Okay, so make sure the password is like this because it's more simple to see. Yeah. Okay. So we already going to finish. Okay. So let's do the last thing. Yeah, there is action button. Okay. So first, yeah, as I say, you can use a rectangle again, and maybe the weight is 102 and the height is 32. This is my basic. Okay, so adding the corner to 5. And this is one tip for me. I would like to make two different button like this. Okay, and make sure for the login button, you can use your primary color. Like in here, I use black for the primary. So yes, like this. And then first change the frame. Yeah, you can put or insert the text here. Login. Okay, this is your login button. Oh, the text is too big. Okay, sorry. Let's choose another one. I would like to maybe 12 is enough. Okay, yes, it's nice. It's good. Now we make the another one. Yeah, for the sign in button, I would like didn't place the fill color because yeah, just use a stroke. Because why? It's a secondary button. You can say it secondary button here. So there's you didn't need to use your primary, yeah, because it's a secondary button. Okay, move your text here. Oh yeah, I forgot to select this the frame. Okay, now put in here. Let's change the color to black. and chance to sign up. Don't forget to decrease in here. I would like to 50% is enough. Yes, like this. Ah, this is for user user understanding. So I recommend you to add some information up this button. So according to the user know what is the button for. Okay. So here I would like to insert this text. Okay, 12 font is too big. So I would like to change to the 10 like this. Yes. So okay, let's we make it accurate with other frame. So this is 100. No, we can make into the auto layout. Oh no no group. Okay, we have group and move to the top. Yes, login page. So we adjust it. 70 is okay. Now we pass in the this. Yes. So you can see here. Okay, now we already make yes this simple login page. So let me tell to you. Yeah, first this is to make the user understand. Yeah, this email. So put email here. So don't put the email in here. Like this simple no, it will make the person confused. Okay, so why I add this information to make sure the user know why I must sign up. So it's for option for the user. So you don't have account, yes, the user can do sign up first. Or maybe the user already have the email or password already, so they can log in. Okay, let's move the grid. We hide. Yes, this is example. On. So this is still empty, right? You can design whatever you like. Like maybe in here, I would like to place some logo of my company, something like that. Okay, maybe yes. Okay, so maybe just that my listen about yeah. Consider the thing about UI design and tips for you. Also the project to making some sample. Okay, so maybe I give back to Amar as host. So Amar,
Oh, nggak masuk. Oke, thank you, Orleans. Hopefully, what Orleans teach will be useful for all of us. Maybe that's all from us. I am Izzuddin Amar Al Farisi. Say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.